Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we're going to replace the screen on the HP 15cs3010ns laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if possible. This ensures safety during the repair process. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back cover of the laptop. There are usually about 10 screws to take out, so make sure to keep them organized to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you might have missed. After removing the back cover, locate the screen connector. It's usually found near the hinges. Carefully detach the connector from the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to the laptop's service manual for guidance. Next, you will need to remove the damaged screen. This typically involves unscrewing several screws that hold the screen in place. Be sure to keep track of these screws as well. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen away from the base. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Before securing it, reconnect the screen connector to the motherboard. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once the connector is firmly in place, screw the new screen back into the hinges. Make sure everything is tight, but don't over-tighten, as this can cause damage. With the screen secured, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Now, return to the back of the laptop and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. If you need assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop. Check to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If there are any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed before any further action is taken. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your HP 15cs3010ns laptop. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can save both time and money. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.